This is an unboxing review of the OLALA power bank in piano black. It's got 3000 mAh. It does come pre-charged with 4 lights. Of course, I always charge things again just for safe measures. iPhone. Got it for my iPhone 6. What I like about it is that it is small. It is thin. I can fit it in my back pocket. And these grooves are especially nice, unlike most of my other ones that I've had in the past. They, with them being aluminum, they slip and slide. Again, thin. It's functional, very, being small and practical for anyone with